So I've got the GPS speed.
Okay, so this is the Dodge, what?
Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins diesel.
Wow. And this whole thing right here is all modded.
This part right here is all I changed. Well, and that switch.
Here, we're going to get copyright issues. How do we turn that off?
This is the
XM
satellite.
radio?
Yeah, XM radio.
Can we pause it? Yeah. That's awesome. So that was... Oh, no, that's built in.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've connected...
The volume and the mute. Volume up, volume down, mute.
Okay.
And then on that side, on the back side, is the answer the phone, hang up the phone.
Oh, nice.
I couldn't get these working. These two should have worked, but they don't go through the CAN bus for some reason. CAN bus. Dodge uses what's called a CAN bus.
Okay.
It's basically digital communication between all the things.
And this whole dashboard that you upgraded, who makes that?
This is made by ATOTO.
Oh, ATOTO. Cool.
There's several of them out. The only thing I'm disappointed in this one is that it's Android version 4. And of course, we're at Android version 10.
Still, though, I mean,
everything I want is there. I can play the radio.
It's really bright. I like the interface. How do you feel about the touch sensitivity?
It's really good.
It's responsive.
Yeah. I mean, you can see I'm just barely touching it.
Your shipping strategy.
There's the one we usually listen to.
Oh, and there's your SIM card.
Yeah. So
how big of a SIM card will it take? 512?
I think I've
terabyte?
got 256 in there.
That's
256 gig.
Yeah. 256 gigabyte is a ton of info.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and then you can even pause the radio? That's cool.
This is coming through the auxiliary input, which is on the back.
Oh, okay.
And also on the front, but I ran it through the back. I drilled a little hole back here and ran the wires down.
Did they happen to give you a free subscription to XM Radio when you bought the device?
No.
Oh. Well, no, I mean, I
could have asked for like 6 weeks free or something like that.
Yeah, even when so this isn't too bad. Yeah, your truck only has 100,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
It's still getting broken in.
It
looks nice. You did a good job. Way to go, Jim.
This I had to order these two pieces.
Yeah.
Which is also the fits in the back, and then this. If we put it in reverse, it turns the reverse camera on.
Nice.
But it locks it on that. You can't get rid of it as long as this is in reverse.
Oh.
So I had to put this on, which cuts the
So if you don't want the camera on?
Yeah, because then I can use this one, which is supposed to be the front camera. You can have a front camera.
Yeah.
But I'm putting it in the trailer so I can use it as a reverse camera.
Oh, okay. So
and
this system allows you to connect how many different cameras? 1 or 2?
3.
3. Wow.
Yeah, because this one's connected to it.
So if you really wanted to, you could do a front camera,
I could actually do a fourth one.
a rear camera on your hitch, and then another camera behind the trailer.
I haven't figured out how to see the fourth camera though.
Wow.
So
you did great work. Okay, I'm gonna be rude. How much was the hardware?
Oh, this was like $250.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow. And now you have CarPlay, right?
I can
pretty much,
but my phone doesn't do it.
Oh.
Yeah, I was real disappointed.
Well, I do know.
But
I'll keep my ear open for discounts for.
But it'll connect. The phone works. I can make phone calls and it goes through my phone.
Oh, okay.
But I can't
Yeah,
mirror my phone to the screen.
It really looks very Apple-esque, like those icons.
Well, it's Android uses another name. My phone's Android and this is Android. But,
that's nice. Yeah, it's really responsive.
It's super customized to be a car radio.
Yeah.
So I don't know if they'll put out any updates or not.
And I like has just the old school auxiliary port, has a USB port, so you could just pop a thumb drive in there.
Yep. Yeah, and you can
listen to more music. Or
you can get one that doesn't have this, but has a
USB-C.
No, it's like a little tiny camera, and you can do gestures. So you could do like that.
Wow.
Would turn the volume up, or this turns the volume
down.
I
see right there. It's connected to your phone.
Yeah.
So without you doing anything, you walk in your car, boom, you're connected.
Yep.
That's nice.
Yeah, as long as the power's on, it connects.
Wow. Okay, oh, there's the name right there. ATOTO.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's always got the time on there. But this is what I use it for by far the most.
The torque.
Well, yeah, the torque app, because I've got the exhaust gas temperatures.
The exhaust gas temperatures?
Well, yeah, going into the turbo, into the, and these are different points along the exhaust system. If this one starts going to about 1,000 degrees, then it means it's regenerating. It's burning the soot off.
Is that good or bad?
Well, it has to be done because it's law now.
Oh.
You know how trucks,
So
they stomp on the gas and you see the smoke flying out the back?
It's the whole exhaust brake system.
No, the exhaust braking's down here.
Oh.
This is to burn off that soot that you see coming out of diesel trucks.
Oh.
The black soot. So this one doesn't ever have any black soot.
That's a good thing.
It collects it all, and then when it gets too much of it, it turns the temperature up on this and burns it off.
So that's the get DPF out.
Yeah, diesel particulate filter, EGT.
Okay.
It's not exhaust gas temperature, diesel particulate filter output.
Wow.
And that's there's the DOC output. That's another collector.
And then it also tells you...
This is the pressure gradient between, I don't know why it's so high, between the front and the back of it. Yeah, that's kind of odd.
Now, why does it say GPS speed? So it's using GPS for your speed instead of your actual car?
Yeah, I've got a GPS antenna.
That's nice.
Oh, right there.
So that's your GPS antenna, which is connected to the ATOTO.
Goes into the back of the ATOTO, yeah.
And then that right there is your XM.
With that, no, the XM antenna.
Oh, that's your XM.
The XM antenna is actually,
one?
That's a dash cam.
Oh, cool. So while you're driving, if someone slams into your front side, you know why.
Okay, so let's see, where's my app for that? There. So.
Awesome. That was fast.
You know, it's on all the time, and then if I want,
and then where is it saving
it into this
SIM card
up here? So there's a little tiny one like right up there, and it's just a 32 gig or something like that because it just overwrites it as it goes.
That's awesome. So it just loops.
Yeah.
So at any given time, you have the last 2 hours of all driving. That's enough.
Let's see.
So then all you have to do is pop that SIM card out, and you could
play back.
Oh.
So now so that's all the.
You can play back your morning drive.
Yeah. So I could play that one back and.
No sound, right?
Yeah, there's sound.
Oh, there is. Are we going to hear you singing?
No, but you can hear the radio back in the background.
That's really good video for a dash cam. I've looked at some online.
It's 1080p.
It's crap. Yeah, 1080p. Everyone's like, oh, you need 4K, and oh, you need 1080p is great. That's really cool. See, I don't have a truck, but I would love the dash cam. So how much was the dash cam upgrade? Or did that just come in the ATOTO kit?
I'd have to look what I paid for that. Is $50 maybe, something like that.
That's not bad.
No.
For a dash cam?
Yeah. And you can use it on its own. You don't have to plug it into this.
And then you made sure that it was compatible. Yeah.
Well, it wasn't. I thought it would be, but it wasn't. But it comes with its own Android app built into this. So as soon as I plugged it in, I just had to turn on side loading. I was able to side load it. So there's the Android test your GPS. So that's right now we've got 13 satellites in view and 9 in use.
Wow.
Tell us our location, so we're within 3 feet of accuracy.
3 feet?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, well, that's what phones will do now and everything.
Well, still though, I mean that's.
What's funny is I had that GPS antenna stuck right here.
Yeah.
Up on the window, and it wasn't working. I'm like, what the heck's going on? So I popped it off.
Oh,
and every time
probably because this needs to be pointing up instead of.
No, because I can turn it upside down and stuff, and it doesn't really change anything. As soon as I get it close to the glass, it quits working.
Is that sticky?
No, just a little bit, because I pulled it off the window. Yeah, you could turn it upside down, and it really won't change these that much.
So here I am playing with it. No, hardly. Even if I put my hand over it.
Yeah, it doesn't do much. But the other day when I would stick it up to the window, it would just, the signal would go away. I'd get like one satellite. And
That's
you have to
lame.
have at least 3 for it to work.
Oh, and you even have a little moon feature. What does that do? Oh, that's cool. Oh, I just love little features like that. And then this probably controls the brightness. Premium feature? What?
Yeah, I have to upgrade for that.
That's right. We won't worry about that. Sorry. Well, that's pretty cool. And it does podcast. I know. So basically, so you can get this and the dash cam right there for $250.
Yeah, about 300 probably for the whole setup.
Taxes and yeah.
And then there was $10 for the rear camera.
Oh, okay.
So if we
And again, this is the Dodge.
push the parking brake on the left, far left. That would be your other foot. Far left.
Parking brake.
Yeah.
There we go.
Now if we put it in reverse. Okay.
When you put on the brake.
Oh, you have to have the brake on.
So now the
Yeah,
dash.
Oh, I turned it off. So
Wow.
That's the reverse cam. It's not a high quality camera.
Well,
But
if
that's
you
all
can
need.
see a child or
I
a
can
car behind
I
you,
can
or
see my hitch and I can see the trailer.
yeah,
That's all I need.
that's perfect. That's awesome. Tell me again which Dodge this is. The Dodge
2500 Cummins
Dodge
Diesel.
Cummins. In what year?
2013.
See, that's not bad at all. 100,000 miles.
Nah.
So there you go. That's your review of the ATOTO in-dash car
Oh, head unit, Android head unit.
Android hen unit. And we'll put some links in there for you. That's all for now.